Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. RKT is currently trading at around $36. I did see it trade upwards of $46 pre-market hours, like around, I think it was like 1 or 2 in the morning that I saw it trading around there. I'm thinking about actually buying like like maybe 20K worth of calls today, man. I'm not even joking. I still have my calls, right? I still have these calls. I still have my position. I'm trying to figure out whether I should buy calls at open, which are the new elongated ones that were just released today, because there were some opens, everything from 37 all the way up towards 64 for the calls were actually just released today, actually yesterday after hours, I think. And or if I should buy like 50K worth of stocks, right? Like I don't know if I should buy either shares, like another 50K shares, or if I should buy calls. I'm trying to figure out what exactly to do right now. So I mean, I'll probably update you guys maybe later throughout the day, because I have a bunch of work today. So I mean, if I do something, you guys probably won't know until like right before market closes or something. So just so you guys know, RKT currently trading at was around $36-$37, around that price range. I think at market open, I'm gonna see how expensive these March 5th 30, I'd probably do $10 out, so it's 36. So I'd probably do maybe $46 calls or $45 calls, and kind of go from there. Because we did touch earlier today, like at 1 in the morning, I do think the momentum is still going to be towards the upside, just because we did go all the way up to $46. 40, I think we closed in on 46. That's what I saw, almost 47. But I might buy these $45 calls depending on price. I mean, I don't know how much I would buy. I mean, I can only spend 26K on these calls, so I'd probably do like, how many I could, yeah, there's no price, so I don't even know how much I'd be able to purchase. But yeah, just letting you know, I wanted to update you guys on my position. Haven't sold anything. I won't sell any shares, probably never gonna sell any shares until maybe my total return is like 100K or something, right? Then I'll cash out that profit and I'll leave everything else to ride. But as far as calls, I'm still trying to debate whether to drop like 20K on calls today, but we'll see.